Hello students, good morning. In this video we are going to solve some numericals on Gibbs energy. Okay. So here in the chemical thermodynamics, Gibbs energy plays a very important role in order to predict the spontaneity for the reaction. Spontaneity of the reaction. If del H and del S are given, okay, then predict whether the reaction is spontaneous or not, and even exothermic or endothermic. Means the problem numericals is just like that. State whether the given reaction is spontaneous or not, and exothermic or endothermic if given del H is equal to minus 110 kilojoule and del S change in entropy is equal to plus 40 joule per Kelvin at temperature 400 Kelvin. Okay, first, and second one, that is del H is equal to plus 50 kilojoule and del S is equal to 130 joule per Kelvin at 300 Kelvin. Okay, so here in our textbook the temperature is 250, and for the change here I take, here it is, that is 300. Okay, so first problem, del H is equal to minus 110 kilojoule and del S is equal to 40 joule per Kelvin and temperature is equal to 400 Kelvin. Okay, so here del G is equal to del H minus T delta S. Del H is minus 110 kilojoule minus temperature, that is 400 Kelvin, multiplied by here 40, but this is joule per Kelvin and here kilojoule. So here 40 into 10 to the power minus 3 kilojoule per Kelvin. Okay, so here minus 110 kilojoule minus here this is Kelvin and this is per Kelvin, therefore it is kilojoule. So here 0, 0, 0 and 10 to the power minus 3. So here 16 and that is minus 126 kilojoule. So here del G is minus 126, that is less than 0, and therefore if del G is less than 0, the reaction is spontaneous. Okay, so here del G for this reaction is spontaneous, and second one, whether it is a exothermic or endothermic. So del H is equal to minus 110 kilojoule, as it is a negative, and therefore if del G is negative, heat is evolved from the system, and therefore the reaction is exothermic. Reaction is exothermic and spontaneous. Okay, then you have to done this problem. Del H is equal to 50 kilojoule and del S is equal to minus 130 joule per Kelvin at 300 Kelvin. Whether this reaction is spontaneous or not spontaneous. Okay, as well as here as it is a endothermic or exothermic. From this, the clue is that if it is positive and this is negative, so it is negative, 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 positive, and this is also positive, and both are positive, therefore del G is positive, and if del G is positive, the reaction is, for this reaction is non-spontaneous at whatever the temperature. Okay, and second one, that is del H is equal to positive and therefore the reaction is endothermic. Okay, next one problem, next one numerical on the same. So for the reaction here del H and del S means change in enthalpy and change in entropy is given that change in enthalpy is del H is minus 224 kilojoule and del S is equal to, that is again standard state, minus 153 joule per Kelvin. So at what temperature changes over from spontaneous to non-spontaneous will occur? Spontaneous to non-spontaneous will occur. Means spontaneous reaction when del G is equal to 0. Del G is equal to negative. Okay. So here temperature is equal to, here T delta S, that is temperature is equal to del H0 upon del S0. Okay. So here minus 224 kilojoule per, that is divided by, here del S means minus 153, here joule per Kelvin, that is into 10 to the power minus 3, that is kilojoule per Kelvin, and that is equal to minus plus 224 divided by here 0.153, and that is equal to kilojoule per Kelvin, and which is equal to, that is 1464 Kelvin plus 1464 Kelvin. So temperature is given, okay, 1464. So here since del H and del S here both are negative, okay. So if the both are negative, so here del G is equal to del H minus T delta S. If it is negative and it is negative, so negative this is positive and this is negative, means del G is negative at a low temperature, and this temperature is at equilibrium, okay. So the reaction is spontaneous at lower than, at the temperature which is less than 1464 Kelvin, means reaction is spontaneous at the temperature lower than, means less than, temperature must be less than this 1464 Kelvin, okay. Okay, so after watching this video, then you have to solve some numericals. First numerical, that is state weather, write down, state weather given reactions are spontaneous or not, and predict exothermic or endothermic for the following. First, del H is equal to plus 50 kilojoule and del S is equal to minus 130 joule per Kelvin at temperature 400 Kelvin. Second, del H is equal to minus 102 kilojoule, del S is equal to minus 150 joule per Kelvin at temperature 300 Kelvin. Third, del H is equal to 60 kilojoule and del S is equal to 200 joule per Kelvin at temperature 300 Kelvin. Then fourth one, del H is equal to here 80 kilojoule, del S is equal to plus 220 joule per Kelvin. So at what temperature reaction is spontaneous. Reaction is spontaneous. Okay.